Good morning guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be replacing some clapped out parts on Brum Jeep. Alright, so I'm going to show you the dodgy little fix I've had to do with cable ties just to make sure I can get to work every day, because if I didn't, that arm's got so much play in it that both wheels would just be shaking down the road. Now I don't recommend doing this, but I've just had to do it until the new part has turned up. So this here is the old part that we're replacing. This is the tie rod end pitman arm. It goes to the steering box and it goes all the way down here. It's got so much play in it, I've had to use cable ties just to make sure it doesn't move around. Now it's still got a little bit of play in it, but because of the cable ties it's not moving. But today we're going to rip that out and hopefully it should drive 100% better. Okay, now that I've got both nuts loose, all you have to do is grab a hammer and tap it out. Okay, just so as a comparison for before and after, massive difference. That one's missing is its boot, so dirt and dust will get in there. Also the amount of play was a contributing factor to it need being replaced. Definitely should not do that. Well, that's the new one. So hopefully that should drive a lot better now. And we're done. It was such a good feeling being able to cut those cable ties off and knowing that I'm not going to have any more problems with my steering when I'm driving to work. So when I'm driving to work on Monday, it's just going to drive so good. It's going to be able to turn and steer exactly like it should. And hopefully we're not going to have any more problems. I'm just going to run you guys through what I did if you guys want to replace your, I think it's called the pitman arm tie rod end. Just so you guys know how to do it for when you need to replace yours. Okay, so all I had to do was replace this pitman arm tie rod end. Mine was so bad I had to cable tie it down here just to stop it moving around. And now as you can see there's no play whatsoever in it. So all it is a 19mm nut on top here. All you have to do, it might take a while but just have to tap it out. It does take a while, but just keep going and you'll be able to get it. Pops out. All you have to do is thread it out of this arm, which you have to undo this bolt here, which is a 16mm. Screw it out as a left-hand thread, so you have to turn it turn it to the right to work it out. And all I did was draw a line on the thread before I took it out. So I knew how far to put it back in, so everything lined back up as it should. So I took it out, put the new one in. I had the jack underneath here just to try and push it up far enough so the thread comes out the top. Put the new nut on, and away we go. Very simple thing, very easy to do. I had a quote to do it from a mechanic down the road, and it's about $100 plus $50 for the part. I bought the part, the new pitman arm, from online. I bought it from 4x4 point. I'll leave a link in the description below in case you want to jump on there and get yourself one if your one is worn out as well. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please hit that subscribe button and the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.